Kinhank 12TB Retro Gaming Hard Drive Review. Best preloaded retro gaming storage? If you want a massive retro gaming collection without spending hours setting up emulators, the Kinhank 12TB retro gaming hard drive is definitely worth a look. But does that huge game library make it a smart buy? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. This is a 12TB external mechanical hard drive designed primarily for Windows, PCs, Kinhank, and retailers. Advertised versions with more than 96,000 games and support for over 400 emulators. Although the exact library can vary by version, the drive uses a 3.5-inch 7,200 RPM hard disk with USB 3.0 connectivity. The big attraction is convenience. Instead of downloading and configuring hundreds of emulators yourself, you get a prepared gaming environment with a large selection of arcade, console, and PC titles. It supports Windows 7 and newer, and Kinhank recommends a more capable PC for larger 3D games. That's important because the hard drive itself doesn't determine whether demanding games will run smoothly. Your computer's processor and graphics hardware matter too. Another advantage is flexibility. You can add or remove games and customize the library, while the front-end interface makes browsing a huge collection easier. However, there are some compromises. This is still a mechanical HDD, so it won't have the speed or durability advantages of an SSD. Also, the advertised game count doesn't guarantee that every title will work perfectly on every PC. Compatibility can depend on the emulator, game, and your hardware. There's also an important legal consideration with preloaded game libraries. Buyers should make sure the included software and game files are appropriate to use in their region. Overall, the Kinhank 12TB collection. If you prefer building your own legally sourced library or want faster SSD performance, a custom setup may make more sense. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you choose a preloaded retro gaming drive.